Want these cool swags and be a part of the awesome AWS community? Also get free credits for using AWS, that too free of cost. Apart from this, you'll be getting some cool chances to meet AWS insiders, people who are working on Amazon, free workshop, free career building workshop, and multiple things are there. So here we are talking about the AWS Community Builder. Applications are live. How to fill the application? Do not worry, everything will be covering in detail. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. Coming to the form directly, here is our AWS Community Builder form. So here, what is the program about? It's just offering a technical resources, education, networking, and opportunities to AWS technical enthusiasts. Okay, so who can apply? Anyone who is 18 plus can apply. If you are underage, you cannot apply, and it's open to all. Means globally. If you are from India, Australia, anyone can take part in it. Now let's come to the application process, and after that we'll talk about some top FAQs. Now simply you have to click on apply now. Now here it's asking for login. You need to click on login over here. And after that, it will ask you to sign in the AWS portal. If you already have an account, you can directly sign in. Or if you don't have any account, just click on continue with Google and just select your Gmail account. You can use the traditional method also. Just click on continue. Now all these things are done successfully. Okay. Now let me show you how to fill the form over here. It's just finishing the login task. So here we'll be getting some cool opportunities. Okay. Now current application window is open till 21st of January. So hurry up and fill the form. Okay. Now you need to understand this program is for technical builders who want to use AWS services. Just like Google Cloud, AWS is also a cloud platform where we just host, learn and build something. Okay. Here you need to understand that you have to make community contribution in the form of video content, webinars, tutorials, live presentations. So it's a learning community. It will help you to boost your resume as you are getting directly from the AWS Amazon itself. So first of all, you have to just click on I meet this requirement, then click on next. Now here, are you part of any community? If you are part of any of these community, you can select it. As I am participating as completely new, I'm just selecting this, then simply click on next. Are you an Amazon employee? If you are, just select yes. If no, I'm no. So I'm selecting no. And just no this too also. Okay. Are you currently a student? Seeing this, see, assuming all of you are student only, right? So I'm just selecting yes, and then let me just select next. Okay. Now here all your details will be mentioned over here. Preferred first name and last name. This does not need to be legal no. So here, this can be any name, like you can write any name over here, your online presence name. For example, many of you have dark soul, dark coder, night coder, like this you can add. But if you use your personal name, there is no issue. Email will be same. And employer name. If you don't work for a company, means if you are working for any company like CDS, TCS, etc., or any of your company, you can mention the company name. Else, just type NA. Okay, just type NA. And job title also, if you are working as a developer, just type the developer name. Okay. Means your role you have to work, right? Now, have you applied for join this program before? If you have applied, just select yes. If no, then just select no. In which country you are residing? So here are the list of country as I said. Multiple people can take part in it. So I am from India. I am just selecting India only. Okay. So here is the India. All things are done. Now simply click on next. Now here it is asking to these following questions are optional. Okay. Do you consider yourself as a member of? Okay. Just select no. You don't have to select. If you are a member of African, American, Hispanic, Latino, Native people, okay, it's related to military and LGBTQ. So if you are anyone from this category, okay, this representation, you can just mention it yes or no. So now just come over here and you can leave. This is the optional part. Just go to the next. Now here, each AWS Community Builder Program will be assigned to the topic of area that aligns with individual interest. Okay. So here they have shared the option. Multiple options are there depending on your interest, whether you are interested in AI. Okay. I remember one subscriber named Gaurav also asked related to these kind of workshops and some projects and programs which will boost our resume. So here you can select depending on your role. You can just select, for example, I'm selecting cloud. If you're interested in machine learning, you can select machine learning too. Now here you can see we have to select how often you have participated in the activities before. So you can just select, if you have participated anytime, you can just select monthly, quarterly, daily. Okay. So you can select never also, but I will recommend just select something which is uh, actually okay, something which is impressive. So I'll suggest select daily. Speaking about AWS or cloud computing, you can just do one thing. You can just select yearly. Okay, just select it. You can select accordingly. If you are doing daily, you can just select daily also. If you want to just select weekly also. As per me, I'm selecting yearly because I do very less workshop. Also, I have done very limited workshops. Now, integrity of the content created by our community is important to AWS, and we have zero tolerance policy. So whatever work they will provide, you have to generate with yourself. Okay. For example, you have to explain a concept. You can just explain with your own thinking ability and your skill set. You cannot just paste the prompt in the chat GPT and just paste over here. They are just saying that no copy pasting is allowed. So just select yes and just do all the things. The reason why don't make the people means here they are saying that why peoples are not getting selected in this program. So whatever content you create, okay, should be helpful for the community. Okay, because here most people try to see that we are not getting paid, so they paste anything randomly. Your content should talk itself, the quality. Okay, it does not matter whether you are getting paid on the program or not. In simple ways, they are saying make quality content. Now here simply you have to share. See what you have to share. Let me just tell you, in simple words, they are saying that here is a section. You have to share your work. Means your community contribution. You contributed to the community in what means you have completed. Means what means you have helped the people, like hosted any workshops, etc., or just organize any meetup also. So you have to mention, or you have built any content. You have to just write it. Okay, you have to write it about in about 10 to 200 words. Okay, and then you have to select the language. Depending on the language, here you can see multiple languages are there. So you can just mention over here and the content. So here you have to mention the examples of the content. So here you have to make sure to explain what kind of content you have sent. Means example, whatever community contribution you have done. For example, you participated in facilitator program, how it helped people to learn cloud computing. You participated in different hackathons, how it helped to contribute, means contribute in the event. Okay, or you organize any offline workshops, or you organize any hackathons in your college, how your community contribution content. Means here you have to explain the community in simple words. They are saying whatever you are providing, like I selected cloud, so my content example should be related to cloud only. If you have selected machine learning, it should be related to that only. You cannot randomize and select anything. Okay, so they are saying that you have to share the examples that relate to the primary topics which I selected earlier, which you have also selected earlier in the application. Okay, now after that, the links. Okay, so if you have built any projects, or if you have built any content, means video, documents, blogs, etc., you have to attach the link over here. Okay, attach the link over here and then simply click on next. So here, let me show you a quick example. For example, I am just writing a demo. So today only I built a video regarding how to become a Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program. So I'm just copying this video over here and I will just paste it over here. Okay. So example, I'm just sharing it. Okay. Let me just show you. So I will share this video. Okay. I'm just copying it. Let me copy it again. And here let me add. So here I am attaching the URL of the content one. And if you are having multiple contents, so you can just mention over here. For example, second content example. So I will share a different video related to the different event. Like for example, I created a video related to Jura GCP, or maybe explaining the facilitator program. So I'm just sharing both the contents. See, whatever contents you have built, including the LinkedIn projects, if you have built any projects also, you can mention over here. So you have to attach and just explain it. So I made a video. Let me just write it. And then That meets again. So yes, this I filled, like I have filled a demo form also, like I have made a video regarding the facilitator program. Okay, here I explain the people about cloud computing. If you have built any project with the same thing, like you build something with machine learning, or you build something with OpenCV, you can link the projects. How you build the projects, you can make sure and share the LinkedIn post if you have posted over here, or GitHub repo link. Okay, whatever you have made, you have to share over here. And after that, just come to the next section. Okay, one error is there. Let me just see what is the error. All things are correct. So let me just do it. I made a guide which is so you can summarize it to lesser characters. Now let's see. So it's working. So what's your AWS Builder Center alias? If you don't have one, you can just get one and claim. So it's optional. You can simply avoid it. There is no need to. Now, if you have a YouTube channel, you can mention over here. If you don't, you can just leave it. For example, I'm already having a YouTube channel. So let me just add it. In case you don't have, it won't impact much. So just share it over here. And after that, if you are having LinkedIn profile URL, you can mention over here. Similarly, GitHub, blog, Twitter, whatever you are having, you have to mention over here. And after that, did any, okay. So no. So here you can mention my name. You can just mention my name if you're watching this video. Now here you have to simply click on I agree, next, and then make sure all your applications are correct. Your submission will be reviewed once you submit application, and you won't be able to edit your submission. And after you submit it, there won't be any email confirmation. So make sure you fill and spend time carefully whatever I've shared in this video. Watch carefully and then simply submit it. If you are eligible, you will be notified by email by if you are accepted, you will be notified, okay, and not by early March. So it may take time, so you need to wait for it, and at last you have to simply click on submit application. Now once you have submitted the application, it will take some time. You need to understand that no email will be coming and space is limited, only limited people will getting a chance. If you want to view your submission, you can click on my submission and just view whether it is being under review, and the decision will be also shared over here, like you are rejected or accepted. Now coming to the FAQs, who can apply, I have already cleared. Now what is the criteria? It will be reviewed once a year, means every year there is a builder program and they select people. On some people are selected on the basis of invite only. Okay, so you have to apply just like applying for any examination form, and you'll be selected based on your results. So here some important thing I have already covered. Okay, so there is not much thing to know. I hope you understood all things. So hurry up and fill the form. If you still have any doubts, you can comment down below, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.